What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making an amazing coconut milk, and we're going to be grabbing some coconut water out of this fresh coconut here. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by locating the top of our coconut, and you'll know because there's 3 indentations at the top like you see here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a screwdriver and a hammer, and you're just going to want to hammer right into your coconut using those 3 entry points. Then you're going to want to put your coconut over some type of jar and just let it drain out. After you let it drain, you're going to want to put a machete or a blade right in those indentations that you just made, like you see right here, and you're just going to want to hammer it. Watch out, because you can break your knife doing this. I have a dedicated coconut cleaver, as you can see here. And after you get it open, you can kind of just pry it open with your hands like you see me doing right here. Then you're going to want to wash all of that stuff off like you see I did. And you can actually just slip right under it with your fingers, and when you can't, you can slip right under it with a spoon like you see me doing here. And you're just going to want to take that coconut meat out and set it aside. Now you're just going to want to chop it up into good sized pieces, big enough to fit into your blender. I have a small blender, as you're about to see. And you're just going to want to drop your coconut right into the blender, top it off with water, make sure to cover the meat, and you're going to want to blend it until it looks like this. I had to go about 3 minutes on a high setting. Now, over a good sized bowl, you're going to want to drape some cheesecloth, and then you're going to want to carefully place your blended coconut meat into it and just wring it out like you see me doing. And there it is, guys, some absolutely delicious coconut milk. You can drink this stuff straight out of a glass. It can go 1 for 1 with any recipe that requires milk. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this milk, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to support my small channel. Peace.